Are you stuck with a limited PayPal account because you can't verify it? Maybe you don't have a credit card or a traditional bank account to link. Many tutorials fail to provide a real solution, leaving you frustrated and your money stuck.
Stop worrying.
In the next 4 minutes, I'm going to give you 5 guaranteed tricks to verify your PayPal account instantly without needing a credit card or physical bank account. These are unique methods no other video has explained, ensuring you can lift those limits for good. The first unique trick is leveraging a virtual debit card, not a credit card. Several reputable online financial services offer reloadable virtual cards that function exactly like a debit card. You can fund them via alternate methods and use that card number and CVV for the initial PayPal verification. This instantly removes the card requirement, granting you a fully verified status. If the virtual card fails, the second trick is document verification. Many creators forget that PayPal often accepts government-issued ID and a recent utility bill to verify your identity and address. This proves you are a real person, which is sometimes enough to lift limits even without linked financials, especially in regions where traditional banking is sparse. Third, let's talk about the dreaded small deposits. Many users report the error, PayPal confirm bank account deposits not sent, or the deposits simply vanish. The guaranteed workaround is using the full international IBAN or SWIFT code method, often available through borderless financial apps. This bypasses the typical micro-deposit system and uses a different confirmation process that is faster and more reliable, confirming the account with a unique code instead of 2 deposits. Fourth, consider a high-quality reloadable prepaid card. Unlike generic gift cards, certain prepaid options are categorized as debit for online processors and can both send and receive the tiny verification charge. This is a game changer for unverified accounts and an easy way to verify PayPal instantly. Finally, the e-wallet bridge. Use a reliable verified e-wallet service that allows fast transfers to PayPal. By making a small verified outbound transaction to your unverified PayPal, the system often registers the source as valid, forcing a quicker, non-traditional verification and immediately removing the sending and withdrawal limits. If you apply these 5 tricks, you'll gain a verified PayPal account with full functionality. Like and subscribe for more essential banking digits and tell me in the comments which trick worked for you.